everybody. Welcome back to the Peacock Homestead. Blessing and I are going to see about this potato harvest. It's probably going to be a small harvest, but it is my first time actually getting potatoes, hopefully. But I hope you all are enjoying your day, and I just wanted to share this potato harvest.
All right.
I did not get that many. I just got a few for like one dinner. But that's okay. I'm gonna wait to harvest the ones in the back. Maybe the end of this month it'll be better. I'm just gonna wait until the plants die off a little bit, but at least I tried. This one's pretty big, and it looks like it's a pretty good size, but I got a handful. But I'm not disappointed. I also have this mint I'm gonna harvest too. And then I was gonna harvest some of my echinacea plant. So I'll just be patient on the other patch of potatoes. And I will probably have these for dinner in a couple of days. I hope you all have a wonderful day and many blessings. Bye. I just wanted to take you on a little tour of my garden. So I have some tomatoes here that are overgrowing like crazy. Over here I have my loofah. I plan on getting some sponges from those I use to wash my dishes. And they're really good sponges. They don't stink or anything. And then I have my pumpkin going crazy next to my basil here. Then I have a little bit of watermelon over there. Sunflowers. Those are doing good. And then I have my peppers. I haven't gotten any peppers from them. My chocolate mint. That does not taste like chocolate. It is just a dark brown of a color. There's my lemon thyme, my eggplants, and then I have my tomatoes. I think those are Cherokee tomatoes. I'm not sure. I planted a bunch of varieties. And then those are the cherry tomatoes. And there's Blessin' having a good time, rubbing her back. She's just having some mama time outside. Then I have some more tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. They're super sweet. Then over here I have some pumpkins growing. I have a little baby pumpkin. Down here I have 3, I believe, so far, pumpkins. And I got some beans over there. And that's more of a pumpkin plant. And hiding in here is some zucchinis. So I have like 1 or 2 so far. They're not growing as fast as I like, but I'm patient. I got some more tomatoes. I plan on canning those up for probably tomato sauce or salsa. There's my cucumber plants. All those beautiful cucumber flowers. Those keep trickling on one by one in the house. There is my watermelon plant, and I have a little bitty watermelon. I have a couple, but I'd have to search for them. One's a little bit bigger. It's big as a grape. And it's doing pretty good. It is flourished this season. The flowers look like stars. And there is some sunflowers. The bugs are getting to it, but they're not getting to the blooms, so that's all that matters. Blessin's having fun. And I hope all your gardens are doing well as well. And I'll see you on the next video.